Good morning, second graders. How are you today? Today is Thursday, April 30th, and at 10:30 this morning, we are going to have our second Google Meets. So around 10:30, go ahead and click on the link in Google Classroom here to join our Google Meets. While you wait for that, let's see, oops, that's math. You are going to log into RazKids and complete a RazKids, read it and take the quiz. Then I want you to listen to Mrs. Meddert reading The Frog Chef by Lisa Harkratter. And I want you to think, what genre is the story? Is it fiction? Is it nonfiction? And then today we're going to learn about poems. So I want you to log into BrainPop and BrainPop Junior and watch the poems, BrainPops. And then I want you to write a poem of your own about frogs. If you want to write more poems, you can, and you can choose your topics, but I want you to at least write one poem about frogs, and then I want you to post your poem on Seesaw. And then at some point today, I would like you to read 20 minutes to yourself. Okay, if you can either read 20 minutes to yourself, or you can do a second RazKids if you would like. And then your optional tasks are, you can listen to Frog and Toad Are Friends by Arnold Lobel. And then there's a writing challenge. Think about real tadpoles and how they change into frogs. Choose another animal to research. Write a few sentences about how the animal changes as it grows. Then draw a diagram. Present the diagram to the class to explain the life cycle on Seesaw. So your research topics or resources, you can use Pebble Go Animals, National Geographic Kids, A to Z Animals. And then your last optional task, if you are looking for more, is you can read to somebody in your house. All right, have a fun day learning. I cannot wait to see you all at 10:30 this morning on our second classroom Google Meets. I will see you then.